I want to talk about the 6 reasons why you need to add more modalities of care to your healthcare practice. Now, if this is of interest to you, then listen up. My name is Corey Rickett. I'm the owner and founder of Amplify Your Practice, helping busy healthcare practice owners to grow, scale, and automate their way to a packed out practice. I also run Studio XFizz, a very successful healthcare company with multiple locations. Now, first let's dive into the problem of not having multiple modalities in your practice. The problem is when you have just one modality of care, you've just got one profit stream. And quite often what that can lead to is an underservice of your clients, meaning that your clients can really only come for that one thing. The next other problem with just having one modality of care is you're tapping into a smaller market potential. The market's huge in health. And if we're just offering one thing, like say for example, physio or osteo or chiro or dentistry, if we're just going that one thing and that one thing only, there's only that one market that we can tap into, not a whole bunch. The other problem with just having one modality is that you'll constantly be referring externally, passing out all of the referrals that you could be potentially referring to internally. It's even more difficult to upsell, cross-sell to other services, to have the ability to be able to be seen as a health hub rather than just a place that has a singular offering. So what I want to talk about today is why adding more modalities of care is a good thing and why you should absolutely consider it. So the number one thing that we need to consider is it creates more profit streams. And the more profit streams we have, the more reliability of income that we can create and rely on. The other thing is it makes our clinics or our clinic a lot more attractive. People love being able to come to the one place for all of their needs. Also, people love being able to see that there's a company that has their absolute best interest at heart. And if they can see that your mission is to add more value to their health than anyone else out there, then why would they go anywhere else? The next thing is you'll absolutely achieve more referrals from doctors. Even on the care plans, doctors actually can't allot 5 to the one thing. They have to actually disperse their referrals across different modalities of care. So by having physio, EP, podiatry, dietetics all under one roof, that's actually a lot more attractive to GPs. What you can create as well is an internal referring system so that your physios can refer podiatry can refer back to physiotherapy, so forth and so on. The next thing is with your marketing. We can turn our marketing from 1 dimensions to 3-dimensional marketing, meaning we can tap into the whole market by understanding what their needs are and servicing those needs rather than talking about the problem and pain of one specific thing. The next thing is recruitment becomes a lot easier. The reason is that other healthcare practitioners love to work beside other modalities of care as well because they can learn. They've got blind spots too, and they want to uncover those blind spots by seeing what other healthcare practitioners also do in the industry. There's so much that goes into offering more modalities of care. And I highly recommend, if you're just singular right now, considering the question of what other things do our client need and how can we set up a structure of multiple modalities so we're not actually providing a disservice, externally referring, limiting our referrals from GPs, and limiting our attraction for more people to come and work for us. So if you'd like to explore that in more detail, if you would like to understand how to go from a singular offering to a multi-D practice, then somewhere around this video you'll find a link. Click through that link and book a discovery call with me. We'll map out the 3 things that you need to shift in order to make the first few steps in the right direction to creating a 3-dimensional practice. If that sounds interesting to you, then book a call and I'd love to chat with you more and understand your needs and get to know you. Hope this has been valuable. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks and have a great day.